Okay, little it be known to you, but I'm going to try this for the third time.
Yeah.
I kept messing it up. Anyway, I was intending on showing you from the way the box was opened all the way through, but unfortunately, I messed up. So now you get to see the other spread. So this is the color palette for the Make Market kit that I won off of Tammy or Diamond Painting with NMD. All kinds of really nice colors, all of them kind of neat. There is some glow in the darks.
Oh, are
There's
there?
at least one of them.
Oh,
Yep,
that's
there's
neat.
like two of them, I think. One there, and I think that one there is also a glow in the dark. The yellow and the white, but I'm
Uh-huh.
not positive.
Or that'll like brighten that
Um,
up some.
but there that is. One of the things I'm going to do is leave that out in the light
Mm-hmm.
because I may try something after the fact. There's the, of course, the infamous toolkit, the original pen,
Mm-hmm.
a small tray, baggies, in case you like to kit up in baggies, and
Mm-hmm.
putty, all in the theme of the painting, which you will see momentarily. And here comes the painting. It is a Make Market.
What is the name of the painting? Do you know?
There, I have no idea. It's not
Isn't it
on the
on the
box.
box? Let me see.
Not on the box.
Take a look, honey, while you.
And here,
Yeah,
go ahead.
I doubt it
And it's
is.
not on the canvas either.
Oh.
There are 38 colors.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. You're right.
39, 40, and actually, there's 41. 39, 40, and 41 are all glow colors. So there's three glow colors in this painting.
Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion. Okay, where was it? On the back. That figures. I told you I need my eyes checked.
I know.
That one looks like a face. Look at that. It's got the eyes and whatnot. Yeah, that looks like a face.
It'll be a nice Halloween thing, honey.
Yeah, it will.
Yippity doo.
But as I said, I won it in a contest for um, from Tammy, Diamond Painting with NMD.
Yas.
Huh?
I said yas.
Yes. Unfortunately, I am not well versed in things, especially the way Make Market does their um, kits. Although they do look like they're DMC coded.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give you a little look at their codes. So you know what they are. I am thankful looking at this kit, however, that I have a light pad. Because this is not going to be easy. I mean, the symbols are easy to read,
Well, hopefully you'll have
you know,
glasses by then.
when you can see them.
Yeah.
But being that I can't really see them,
All right, now you can't, but you will.
well, no, I can see them when I'm close up. I'm just talking about like I can't see with my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
I can see them with the camera,
Mm-hmm.
but it's going to be rather interesting. Now, what I'd like to try and do is take you on a little trip. Not very far, just backwards,
Okay.
if I can get there. No, I can't get there.
What do
Hold
you
on.
need?
Huh?
You need something?
No,
Okay.
I need to move stuff.
Ah, well, I would have done that.
Now I'm going to come back where it's a little bit darker because these have been sitting in the sun for a bit, or in the light for a little bit. So I want to see if they'll show
I'm gonna
up.
shoot you, Ray.
No,
gonna shoot
apparently they
Farmer.
won't.
You know that?
Oh, there they are. Okay. They weren't sitting in very long, but there's the glows. At least some of them. That was actually the white ones. Those right there. Which is, so they weren't sitting in the light long enough quite to really fully charge them. But that's just with room light.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, there they are.
Yep.
And there's, of course, like I said, all the drills. Now the fun part is going to be putting these back in the bag.
Why did you take them out?
Because I figured, seeing as I messed up the first time,
Ah.
I'd just take them out. And
Oh.
seeing as they were cut into 5 and 6 strips, I just put them out. So they should be easier to put in.
Do you want me to get my gallon
Well, what?
to put those in? It'd be easy to put them in there, wouldn't it?
Well, I could, but, yeah, that might be a good idea. But I just don't know where I'm going to put it because I was going to put these back in the box.
All right.
So let's see what I do first.
All right.
All right, guys. Anyway, that's it. Hope you have a good time. I believe these, I'm not sure. Yeah, these came from Make Market. So that's what I say, Michael's, I believe, is Make Market.
I forget.
Yeah, so do I. I got a brain like a rusty steel trap.
I don't know what if it is Michael's or not. I don't remember.
But at any rate, have yourselves a good day. Bye.